This season, I was lucky enough to take a trip of a lifetime to Burgundy, France, where I jumped aboard a beautiful barge named La Belle Époque to sail down the glorious canals and enjoy the finest French cuisine. Today on the canals, it's picture perfect. Look at what I get to see every single day. Along the way, we stopped off at markets and restaurants, sampled produce from the finest French artisans, visited stunning medieval towns, and of course, I got to enjoy some of my favourite French dishes. Wow, c'est magnifique. Leo, night after night, you've been cooking us the best meals ever here on the Belle Époque. It's the captain's dinner tonight. So I see we're having some pork?
Yeah, pork rack, I just deboned, and stuffed with all the leftovers mixed with eggs and truffle.
Ooh, good sizzle. So is this going to be slow cooked or are you going to cook it in the oven? How do you like to prepare the
So
pork?
first I'm going to roast it to make it colourful, and then back in the cocotte like traditional way.
Yeah, and then cook it for like a few hours in the oven.
Yes.
And I'm on gratin duty. I'm going to do a pumpkin and celeriac gratin. I actually found a beautiful celeriac at the markets the other day with the pumpkin. So I thought I'd bring them together, a bit of autumn feel to it.
Yeah, completely.
And of course we're in Burgundy, so we have to celebrate the Epoise cheese. Just the tiniest slither of that I'm going to put on the top to gratinate it. So I'm going to prep these. What did you just put in there?
So I've just smashed my garlic cloves and then put it in the pan.
Okay.
But it's quite the same with the salads, just slice it quickly.
Okay, so I've prepared all the pumpkin. I'm going to pop that onto a plate. I've cut them really thin. And what I've also done, I thought this was a nice idea, to put some leeks throughout the layers.
Oh, yeah.
I've just cooked them down in a little bit of butter so they're super soft. So next up, I'm going to cut this.
Okay.
Do you want to help me?
Of course. Yeah, let's spit it off.
Let's do it together. Teamwork in the kitchen. Okay, we're making progress. I've got these little dishes here that are going to be so cute as our gratin dishes. A little butter in each, and then we start layering. So I'm going to start with maybe the pumpkin, and then make one layer of the pumpkin. Then after that, I like to add a little bit of the leek over the top, and then the celeriac. Oh, and look at that, Leo.
Mandolin.
Can't get any thinner than that. In actual fact, you do want the celeriac to be a little bit thinner than the pumpkin because it takes longer to cook.
That's true.
Oh, and look, it fits perfectly, just like that.
Perfect size.
A little bit of butter. And how's your pork going over there?
Oh, pretty good.
Look at that, crispy.
Yeah.
So good.
Crispy skin.
All right, so I'm going to add more of the pumpkin, some more of these leeks. And Leah, would you want to cut me very thin slices of the Epoise cheese?
Of course.
And what I'm going to do is another layer of the celeriac goes on top. That's going to be my last layer. Press down on it. Some more butter, just a drizzle, pinch of salt, smallest amount, and the Epoise. Now, like we said,
Coming now.
it is pungent, so you just need the smallest amount, just the little dots of it, almost like it's butter. And then all I'm going to do is put some foil on them, cook them 180 for 45 minutes or until they're tender. Take the foil off, and we'll just get that lovely caramelisation on the top. It's going to be good. All right, how's your pork going?
Pretty good.
Ooh.
I had the herbs now.
Yep.
Some marjoram, some rosemary, some thyme.
This is all from the boat. There's all these beautiful flowers, but also loads of herbs that I've been using.
Yeah. So now I'm putting in the sage,
Yep.
just to finish it, and in the end, of course, butter.
Butter. Lid on. And how long is that going to cook in the oven for?
An hour and a half should be okay.
Nice. All right. Got a few more gratins to do, so better get cracking. Well, I just wanted to say a few words after being here for a week with the most wonderful crew. I have just had the best experience. The hospitality has been fantastic, the service, the attention to detail. I mean, look at these beautiful napkins. The food's been fantastic. Andy, you must be so proud.
Of course, very proud. Very nice crew, yeah.
Well, that's been another spectacular meal. What a way to finish a fantastic week here on the Belle Epoque. It's been the most unique experience. Thank you all very much.
Thank you. Cheers.
Thank you. Cheers. Cheers. Santé.